How to build an AI agent with Replit. So as you can see, this is my AI agent and that is OpenClaw and it is working perfectly fine. I built it with Replit and let me type in heartbeats in the chat and I'm simply going to click on the send button for you to see. And as you can see, the agent has responded that heartbeat okay. It means that my agent is working perfectly fine. Okay, so I built it right inside Replit for completely free. And when you come here to the project and then you click on it, you see that from the project, I have my AI agent that is OpenClaw right here. Let me click on it for you to see, and it is working perfectly fine. Okay, so let me show you how to build your own agent. Just go to Google and then type in Replit just like this and hit enter. So when it comes, come and select the official site of Replit by clicking on it. It's going to bring you right here to the Replit platform where you can come and then build your agent for free. Okay, so all that you have to do is simply come and click on login or create account if you don't have an account. So I'm simply going to go with the login since I have an account already. And I'm going to go with continue with Google by clicking on it. So after that, you are going to be logged into your Replit account just like this. Okay. And all that you have to do is simply come here. Okay, so where we have import code or design, come and then click on it. And over here, we are going to import the code from GitHub. Okay, so you have to come and then click on GitHub. So if you don't have a GitHub account, simply go to Google. From Google search, come and type in GitHub and hit enter. Okay, so come and then select the official site of GitHub by clicking on it. It will bring you right here to the GitHub platform where you can click on the sign up for GitHub account. But first, you have to come and paste in your email address here, then click on sign up for GitHub. So after clicking on it over here, you can come and sign up with Google by clicking on it. So after that, they are going to send you a code, okay, inside your email address. So simply go to your inbox and then you are going to find the code, highlight it, put the mouse on it, right click on it and come and click on copy. After that, come and paste the code right here just like this. It will verify you and it will take you to your GitHub dashboard. All that you have to do now is simply come and then create a repo, okay, by clicking on create repo. That is it. Okay, so over here you have to come and then name your repo. So from where we have the repo name, okay, from the general, come and then name it as Replit AI agent just like this. Okay, so after putting it in, all that you have to do is simply come here to where we have the description and leave it empty. Over here, they choose the visibility, make sure that it is at public just like this, and then simply come here and come and click on create repo. So after clicking on it, you see that we have successfully created our repo just like this with our public link. Just leave it as it is, okay? And then simply come back here to Replit and come and select GitHub. And that is where we are going to import it from. Okay, so we are going to import it from GitHub. But what you have to do is simply come and then connect Replit to GitHub. Okay, so simply come and click on connect to your GitHub account, and then over here you have to come and connect Replit to GitHub by clicking on continue to GitHub. Okay, so over here you can simply use your email address, your password, you click on sign, or you can come and click on continue with Google. Okay, so after that you have to authorize Replit. So to do that, simply come and click on authorize Replit integration, and that is it. We have successfully connected it. Okay, so as you can see, we have our repo here, and all that you have to do is simply come here to the GitHub repo URL and come and write in this. That is github.com/openclaw/openclaw, the exact same thing, just like this. You can pause the video and then copy it and then paste it right there. Okay, and it will open just like this. Okay, so after that, you see that you have our agent right here, and the agent name will automatically be here just like this. Okay, and all that you have to do is that you see that it's private, come and then click on import from GitHub. So after clicking on it, that is exactly what you are going to do. You don't have to do anything. Okay, so Replit AI agent is simply going to import your OpenClaw. So as you can see, this is the OpenClaw. Okay, so from here, you will see that we can come and then click on the web view. Okay, and it will open OpenClaw in the web view. So as you can see, we have it right here, but we have this disconnected error. Okay, for no reason. So we have to fix it. So to fix it, simply come to the chat and come and paste in this prompt. I have pinned this prompt at the comment section. Just look at the comment section, copy it, come and paste this right here and come and click on the send button. Okay, and that is it. The Replit AI agent is going to fix the error. Okay, so as you can see from here, OpenClaw is now having the token. Okay, and we can simply come and then click on connect. But we are having parent required. Okay, so let's come and click on connect and see. So when you click on connect several times, you see that it does not work. So we have to also fix the parent error as well. So simply come here to the chat, come and paste in the prompt. I have pinned it at the comment section below. Just look there, copy it, paste it right here, just as I have done, and simply come here and come and click on the send button. Okay, so after that, Replit AI agent is simply going to fix the parent error for you as well. And as you can see, now everything is working perfectly fine. So from here, you see that OpenClaw is working perfectly fine, and we don't have to even click on anything to log in. It will be logged in automatically. The chat button is also working perfectly fine. Okay, and then we have our default model, that is ChatGPT, but we have to set it to a free one. Okay, so to do that, come and paste in the prompt and pin it at the comment section below. Just copy it, come and paste it here. We are going to use Gemini 2.5 flashlight. Okay, and come and click on send button. For that one, it is free. Okay, so we can use it. So it is going to ask you for your Gemini API key. So let me show you how to get your free Gemini API key, and come and paste this right here. Just go to Google. From Google search, come and then search for Google AI Studio and then hit enter. When it comes, come and select the official site of Google AI Studio. By clicking on it, it's going to bring it right here to the Google AI Studio platform. All that you have to do is simply come here to where we have the get API key and come and click on it. So when you click on it over here, you have the option to come and create your own free API key. Simply come here to where we have create API key and click on it. So when you click on it over here, you can simply come and then create your API key. So the name, just name it as Gemini API key. And then over here where it says choose and imported project, just type in OpenClaw integration, okay? And come and click on create key. And that is it, your key will be created, and as you can see, it is free. Okay, and come and click on the copy, and you'll be able to copy your API key. So after copying it, simply come back here and come and paste it right here. Okay, so after pasting it, it will then ask you again. Okay, so come and click on send. So after pasting and sending it, to ask you again to come and paste it again. Okay, so that it will use it secretly for you. So just come and paste it right here. Come and click on continue. Okay, so that it will store it well for you. And that is it. Okay, that is all that you have to do. And as you can see, we have successfully connected it to Gemini. Okay, and this one is free, and we can chat with it. We can chat with our agent for free. Okay, so as you can see, Gemini 2.5 flashlight is now being selected. So we can come and then chat with it. So say, let me type in, hi, are you there? And I'm going to click on the send button. Okay, and as you can see, our OpenClaw AI agent has responded, and it is working perfectly fine. Okay, so we can come and then click on view in the web view, or could say, and as you can see, OpenClaw is working perfectly fine. Okay, and we can come and then ask it about the heartbeat by simply typing in heartbeat here, and I'm simply going to click on the send button, and from the agent you can see that heartbeat is perfect. Okay, so there is one thing that I have to show you. So when you come here and then you click on the Replit, and you go back to the home by clicking on the home, and then you come here to the project and you click on it. Okay, so you see that from your project, you will find your AI agent here, that is the OpenClaw, and you click on it to open. It might open like this. Okay, so as you can see, we don't have everything here. It has been shown in a canvas view, and that is here. Okay, so even if you try to enlarge it, okay, by even dragging the edges, okay, so when you drag the edges to enlarge it and then even put it at the center, you see that after that it will still not work. Okay, so what you have to do is to simply come here to the canvas and simply come and click on it once. Okay, and that is it. It will then show the actual OpenClaw chat. Okay, so that you can simply come and then chat with it. So when you face this, that is what you have to do. And then let's click on the web view, and as you can see, OpenClaw is now opened, and we can simply come and then chat with OpenClaw. Okay, so beside you just always using the chat button to ask OpenClaw questions, that is your AI agent questions, you can also use the mic, okay, by simply talking with OpenClaw. And if you want to make your OpenClaw talk, and then you also talk to it, like you use the speaker option. I am having a video in the video description whereby you can simply click on it. Okay, just look at the video description, just click on it. There is a full video that is going to show you how to actually turn your OpenClaw into a voice AI agent so that you can use the mic option to talk with OpenClaw. Okay, so this is how to actually do it. Like the video and then see you in my next video.